These are metallic Rub-ons Earth Tones Kit 2 and Color Kit 3. Let's compare the colors from each kit. Earth Tone Kit 2 has Colonial, Nubian, Pewter, Olive, Deep Gold, Gunmetal, and Brass. Color Kit 3 has Walnut, Sky Blue, Rosewood, Silver Blue, Iris, Cameo Pink, and Golden White. Now, these are metallic pastes. There's 7 color in each set, and they can go on a variety of different surfaces. I typically use them on cardstock. You could also use them on glossy paper, Fimo, clay, ceramic, wood, and different other craft surfaces. It's easiest to apply them with the finger, but you could see how I was having an issue with my left hand because I'm right hand dominant. The less messy way would be to use a makeup applicator. Now here I've got 2 different sets. There's 7 colors per set, and I am swatching each one of the colors. Now you're not going to make nearly as much of a mess if you're just using one set and using a few colors than if you're trying to swatch 5 colors with 10 fingers. You can use these on embossed papers. You can use them on die cuts. They add a really nice metallic luster and metallic finish, and I really like the look that they give to your craft projects.